The Windowsill Propagator, or the Windowsill Growing On kit, because it's a great way to actually make the most of your plants, and really in a way that allows you to replicate having a greenhouse but not actually having one. And these are super. So ingenious these are, because the width of them, when you look at them from this profile, is super. And what that allows you to do, if you think about it, is, you know, you've kind of got, I don't know, less than 6 inches of width there, which is going to fit onto almost any windowsill. So suddenly now you can grow plants on in a light environment without any concerns about damaging your windowsills, because these trays, or rather the green tray, is completely waterproof. So that's going to hold water without any leakage whatsoever. So that could go straight onto a windowsill without any fear that basically you'll end up causing any damage. It comes with 5 of these growing on trays per kit, and they drop in there. So the great thing is here you can grow literally 12, 24, 30 plants per windowsill tray each crop. So it's really quick, it's really easy, and of course you could grow different things in each one, and of course even as they mature, you can take that one out and you could replace it with a different one. So it's a quick, easy way to actually really get your garden growing. But what I love most is, for example, if we were sowing some seeds in here, we've got the Windowsill Propagator there, get some compost in there, gently pop it in there, and filling it's easy. All I do with this, again, with your bag of compost, just there, drop it in, because you don't really want to get any compost in the base green tray here. So pop it up there, and it's quick and easy. Don't overfirm it. Again, never overfirm compost in any pot or tray, because of course the roots won't get away quite so well, and of course if you've got seeds that you're trying to sow in there, they're just not going to grow very happily if it's clogged and rammed. And of course, once you've got your cuttings or your seeds in there, you've then got your lid, and what you've done here now is you've created essentially a mini greenhouse, a propagator. So you've got a germination environment there where plants are going to grow, they're going to thrive. It's a little microclimate that you can create on your windowsill, because the width of this is literally easily going to fit on your windowsill. You could grow herbs, you could grow geraniums, you could grow petunias, you could grow whatever you like in this. And of course, thinking of the year as it progresses, if you want to start taking some cuttings, so if we were thinking about mint, all we would do with mint is pinch off a little bit of mint, strip the lower leaves off like that. And the reason we do that is because we don't want any leaves to be below. Make a little hole there, and that's basically going to make a little plant there, and in that goes. Pop your lid on. You could have just taken literally 30 cuttings. They could be fuchsias, they could be penstemons, they could be whatever you like. It's the perfect way to overwinter, to grow things that you really do want to keep from season to season. This is going to give you the perfect environment. So seedlings, plug plants, whatever you like, it's a great system, and of course it's a greenhouse on your windowsill.